Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to Dr. Zainura Idrus. So today our group from CS2405C, the visualizer, will present to you our project which involve Netflix dataset.
Okay, for the research background, Netflix is a platform that provides their user a way to stream movies online without needing to rent a movies. And some of the newly released movie are available there. Netflix keeps on growing. As we can see, the subscriber amount had increased from the at the end of 2019. This is the result from COVID-19 because most prefer to avoid public places such as cinema, thus increasing the amount of subscriber. Directors and movie producers are attracted to secure an agreement with Netflix to showcase their movies or television series on the platform. For the project aim, the aim of this project is to extract, analyze, and visualize the dataset by studying the pattern of the rating of the film and TV shows on Netflix. It is able to provide a better insight for researchers on which type of movie or TV show is popular. Other than that, we want to analyze the factor of what genre that is suitable for viewers in the country or region, and to identify what type of movies that can attract a large audience. For the objective, there are two, which is to analyze the pattern and the factor on which genre movie is suitable for the viewer to watch. And the second one is to identify what type of movie that can attract a large audience, as there are no available platform for them to look at. And lastly, for the scope of analysis, the scope of the dataset is focused on movies and TV shows on Netflix, which contain various countries that produce the movie and TV show on Netflix. Other than that, the dataset also focuses on title and rating. The range year of the dataset is from 2003 to 2019, and the dataset consists of 12 columns of attributes and 700,000 rows. And there are three problem statement, which is there are abundance of movies being released nowadays from big company and even from individual. This causes competition to be developed among viewers, because they have many choices on which movies or TV show they want to watch. The second one is most directors are unsure on what type of movies that can attract a large audience. And lastly is without a proper insight, they may face a financial loss if the movie receives little to non-viewers.
And for the methodology data collection, in this study, the data that were used were required from Kaggle website. The dataset contains 6,235 rows of records and 11 columns of attributes. The dataset refers to the movie title along with the director of the movie, the time published, year published, the rating of the movie, type of show description of the movie, and how long it is running for. And the oldest movie available in this dataset is from the year 1974 and the latest is from 2020. For the data description, there are 12 attributes that we have identified, which is the first one is show ID. It's the ID that differentiates each type of movie and TV show available. The second one is the type of show, which, for example, the TV show or the movie. The tit- the title is the title of the movie or the TV show. The fourth is the writer, the individual that is responsible for making the film or TV and supervise the actor and crews. The fifth is cast, a group of actors who perform in the movie or TV show. The sixth is the country that the movie has been produced. The seven and eight is the date, date and the release year. And nine is the rating of movie or TV show based on the age appropriates. 10 is duration, the total runtime for each movie or TV show. 11 is the listed in the genre that movie TV show falls into. The last one is description, a brief summary of the movie or TV show that describes the plot, characters, and character. Next one is data dictionary. We have identified there is a 7 alphabetic type. There are 2 alphanumeric type and 2 dates and 1 numeric. For the data issue, number one is some of the columns added are blank, and there is no data regarding user rating towards that movies or TV shows.
Alright, for the analysis and the findings, we're going to demonstrate to you the dashboard that we have been designed and developed from the dataset. Okay, so for the Netflix dashboard, we divided into five section: TV show, movie director, and actors and country analysis. So for the first one is the TV show. Oh, sorry. Okay, for the main one, this is the homepage. You can see the number of show released each year and the country which have the show and the total show based on its rating and also the number of show each year that are represented by the bar graph, pie chart, and also the map. So the first one is the TV show analysis. We use donut chart, the percentage bar chart, and the tree map, and also the filtering. This we can see in each year, or we can select what year based on its category to see what kind of film, what kind of TV show is the highest. And for the name, is the director involved and the cast involved based on the alphabetical order. That's why it display the first cast and the first director. So as for the demo, if I select TVPG, so only 2018 appear and the country which has that type of show, the genre movie produced based on the tree map and how many cast involved and how many director involved. And this process continue for the filter. Same goes to the movie analysis. If I select the genre and year, for example, 2013, 2014, and you can see the highest is TV 14 rating. So I select that. Okay, this is the country which has the movie. We can see the highest is India and below is Egypt, and also the visualization for genre produced by the tree map, just like the previous one, and also the percentage bar horizontal bar chart. Okay, for the director analysis, the something new is the word word tag, which show who is the director who appear the most based on the show rating, genre release, or the show types. For example, I click 90 minutes show duration. So the most appearance of director is John, or the TV show. We can see the highest is the one season based on the season which have 93, and Lee is the most appearance director. And we can see for the genre release for almost 60 year based on the TV rating, we can see the highest one is TV 14. And then for the actor analysis, just like the director's one, we want to see which actor who appeared the most, which can make director decision to hire them to act. All right. So we can see the TVMA is the highest based on the show rating with the actors' involvement, and also based on the tree map and the stack bar graph. If I click the 1.2K here, highest number of actors involved, which is one season, which is the TV show, we can see the name Lee. Lee appeared the most, the highest actors involved. And the user can also interact with the graph, just like scrolling. The previous one also got that feature. And then the last one is the country, which we can search and that in that country what kind of movie or show rating that are available. For example, we search for Malaysia. Okay, for Malaysia we have 17 uh shows that available, 17, and 11 for movie, 6 for TV shows, and the highest is TV 14. And another example, maybe I can search for United States. All right, we have around 2,000 total show. We know that United States produced a lot of various types of movies since 1940s. All right, so basically the dashboard, this dashboard that we developed and designed to allow director to make a decision whether that kind of shows, TV shows or movie, it is suitable to be released, to make sure that the directors, the crew, or the film company will gain much profit from the viewer itself, since Netflix have the highest subscriber due to pandemic COVID-19 that we cannot go to the cinema. So as a final words, this dashboard is important for business analytics to make sure the profit will gain efficiently. Thank you.